Hi everybody. Today I'm finishing the Captain Sky simulation, and that's it for me for today. Bye.
Hey guys, so yesterday I met with Shafa. We had a short product planning meeting for the next few weeks, and I started working on a few very exciting changes on our website. So continue to work on that also today. And I also met with Daniel. We planned a short video to demonstrate the charging station utility that will soon be launching. And well, this is it guys. Thanks.
Hey everyone, I'm here at Consensus 2018 in New York City, and to my left is Tom Fry, Managing Director of our PR firm, Brightly, from the UK. So I will check in with you guys tomorrow. There's lots to do here. Thanks.
Hey Davers, today I continue to work on Captain Sky. I'm gonna finish my part soon, and then I'll try to integrate with Anatoly's part, and I hope we will finish it today. Bye bye!
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today morning I had a follow-up with Joe regarding the advisors video and materials, and then I got Nick Johnson's interview footage, which is great. He's next on our list. After that I did a DailyDAV, and then I sat with Lior brainstorming a new video idea for charging stations. And for the rest of the day, I'm gonna start making rough cuts for Greg Colvin's interview, which we'll release very soon. So that's it for today, and see you next time. Bye now.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So Friday of last week, I was in downtown San Francisco. I got interviewed for a podcast. So right now, our videographer is doing some work to get that tweaked and adjusted accordingly, and then we'll be sharing that out with our community. Also on Friday, I was able to get our narrative into production, so you should be seeing some new website tweaks in the next coming days. Today, the main focus has been to make some updates to our KYC process, the article where people view to go ahead and understand how to go through the KYC process, and then also working on a bunch of different advisor videos, making sure that all of that is on lockdown based off all the different video shoots we did last week. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.
Hey Devers. Today I'm going to continue in trying to integrate all the different branches we had and check that the flow is correct end to end. We're trying as a team to finish all those integrations and get back into the master by the end of this week, so wish us luck. See you tomorrow.